If your backyard is feeling a bit tired or underutilized, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a step-by-step backyard makeover that will transform your outdoor space into a personal oasis without breaking the bank. And if you stick around until the end, I will share with you 6 AI tools that will bring your backyard dream to life. So let's get started. Before we grab any tools, it's crucial to assess what we're working with. Take a good look at your backyard. Note the areas that get the most sunlight, identify any drainage issues, and consider how you currently use the space. Are there areas that are neglected or overgrown? Understanding your space's strengths and challenges will help you plan effectively. Grab a notebook or your phone and jot down your observations. This will be your roadmap as we move forward. Now let's plan. Think about how you want to use your backyard. Do you envision a dining area, a play space for your kids, or perhaps a tranquil garden? Create a simple sketch or mood board to visualize your ideas. This doesn't have to be professional, just a basic layout to guide your project. Remember, planning helps prevent costly mistakes and ensures your makeover aligns with your lifestyle and budget. Before any transformations, a thorough cleanup is essential. Remove debris, trim overgrown plants, and pressure wash surfaces. This not only improves the appearance, but also gives you a clean slate to work with. A clean space allows you to see potential and makes the makeover process smoother. Landscaping breathes life into your backyard. Consider adding flower beds, shrubs, or even a vegetable garden. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and match your maintenance preferences. And don't forget to add mulch. It retains moisture, suppresses weeds, and gives a polished look. Divide your backyard into functional zones. For example, designate areas for dining, lounging, and play. Use outdoor rugs, furniture, or planters to define these spaces. Creating distinct zones makes your backyard more organized and enjoyable. Lighting sets the mood. String lights, solar path lights, or lanterns can add warmth and ambience to your backyard. Proper lighting extends the usability of your space into the evening hours. And finally, personalize your backyard with decor that reflects your style. This could be DIY projects, colorful cushions, or unique planters. These personal touches make your backyard feel like an extension of your home. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common pitfalls that can turn your dream backyard into a bit of a nightmare. Knowing what to avoid is just as important as knowing what to do. Here are 5 mistakes to steer clear of. Not understanding how you'll use the space. It's easy to get caught up in beautiful designs, but if you don't consider how you'll actually use your backyard, you might end up with a space that doesn't fit your lifestyle. Think about whether you'll be entertaining guests, playing with kids, gardening, or just relaxing. Design your space to accommodate these activities. If you're finding this helpful, be sure and hit those like and subscribe buttons. Number 2, overplanting without considering growth. Planting too many trees or shrubs without considering their mature size can lead to overcrowding and maintenance headaches down the line. Research your plants and give them the space they need to thrive. Number 3, skimping on lighting. Good lighting extends the usability of your backyard into the evening and adds ambiance. Don't overlook this crucial element. Incorporate a mix of task, ambient, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Number 4, ignoring local regulations and permits. Starting a renovation without checking local zoning laws or obtaining necessary permits can lead to fines or having to undo your hard work. Always check with your local authorities before beginning any major projects. Number 5, underestimating the budget. Renovations often cost more than anticipated. It's important to be realistic about your budget and include a buffer for unexpected expenses. This will help you avoid financial stress and ensure your project can be completed as planned. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can plan more effectively and create a backyard space that's both beautiful and functional. And just like I promised, here are 6 AI tools you can use to bring your backyard dream to life. If you're dreaming of a backyard makeover but don't know where to start, I've got some exciting news. In 2025, AI-powered landscape design tools are making it easier than ever to visualize and plan your outdoor space. No professional designer is needed. Let's explore some of the top tools that can help you bring your backyard vision to life. First up is NeighborBright. This user-friendly free AI landscape design tool requires no app installation. Simply upload a photo of your yard and NeighborBright provides instant design suggestions. With over 350,000 users, it's a great starting point for inspiration. Next is Reimagine Home, an AI landscape designer that offers realistic digital transformations of outdoor spaces. Upload images and generate multiple design concepts instantly, tailored for gardens, pools, fire pits, and more. It's perfect for those seeking high-quality photorealistic renderings. Dreams AR is an AI-powered app that provides landscaping ideas in seconds using photos of your yard. With access to over 2,000 plant models and design elements, you can compose landscape designs using 2D plant models or generate designs with simple text prompts. It's ideal for users seeking a blend of AI suggestions and manual customization. Renovate AI is a comprehensive AI tool focusing on various aspects of landscape design. Visualize and place water features like ponds and fountains, plan shade-optimized gardens with a library of shade-tolerant plants, and design custom outdoor dining spaces and pathways. It's great for homeowners aiming for detailed and functional landscape enhancements. Home Design's AI revolutionizes landscape design with AI's power, offering realistic 3D renderings. Visualize ideas and demonstrate transformations in under 30 seconds, making it perfect for professionals and homeowners seeking quick, high-quality visualizations of potential designs. Planner 5D's AI landscape design generator helps you create stunning outdoor spaces with personalized layouts and realistic visualizations. Whether you're a pro or a homeowner, discover how easy and enjoyable landscape planning can be as you bring your dream garden to life. These AI tools cater to a range of needs from quick idea generation to detailed design planning. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional landscaper, Landscaping AI can streamline your design process, bringing your backyard vision to life. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to transforming your backyard into a beautiful, functional space. Remember, the key is to plan thoughtfully and infuse your personality into the design. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY home improvement tips. And don't forget to share your backyard makeover stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.